This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 29th of April. I'm Michael Groff. Dry conditions with near record heat in the valley again today and tomorrow. And as we roll over into the new month, the hot temperatures continue, although readings will back off just a little bit, but remain substantially above normal. What about the weather for next week? Any relief in sight? Any signs of rain out there anytime soon? Well, we're heading into the heart of the dry season, so I think we all know the answer to that. But first, let's check out the almanac from yesterday. 101 degrees was the afternoon high, 69 the morning low. Those normals, 89 and 64. And outside now, as we overlook the valley here, mostly sunny skies out there, sitting at 77 degrees to start this day at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 36, humidity 22%, the winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, 54 is the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 60 at Goldfield, but most of us across the metro are in the 70s. The upper air look, we've got a ridge building in here across the southwest. Upper heights continue to rise, approaching 588 decameters, and they'll get a little bit higher than that as we go through the next 24 to 36 hours, and that just spells hot. All right, here's the watch warning map, and yes, we do have an excessive heat warning in effect for the Phoenix metro area through 8 p.m. tomorrow night. Those warnings extend through much of south central, southwest Arizona, up along the northwest plateau, the Mojave Desert, into southern Nevada, southeast California as well. Elsewhere, some red flag warnings across the western plains, some wind advisories as well, and some flood watches across parts of the northeast. Convective outlook for today, we've got the standard slight risk of severe storms, parts of southeast Alabama, western Georgia, the Florida Panhandle, and a little marginal risk zone out across the Pacific Northwest. Precipitation for the next 7 days from the WPC. Forget it, no rain in the valley, nothing statewide, hardly anything to be found region-wide as the very dry weather will continue. We'll detail it now as we take a look at the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Pretty high amplitude pattern. We've got a trough in the east, a big ridge out here in the west. Once again, those upper heights climbing to around 588 to 590 decameters. And what that means for us down at the surface, sunny skies and hot today. Highs near record levels, 102 to 105. Tonight, we'll see clear skies in the evening, and then some high clouds are going to come in overnight. Those moisture levels try to sneak up just a little bit with dew points creeping north of 40, but overall, conditions stay dry. Overnight lows will mainly be in the upper 60s to mid 70s. Tomorrow we'll do it again, except we'll introduce some more high clouds. We'll call it partly sunny, continued hot, and the clouds might hold down temperatures by a degree perhaps. We may spare ourselves from having an all-time record hot day for the month of April. The all-time record, of course, 105. I don't think we're going to break it tomorrow. Still a chance, though. We're going with highs 102 to 105 for your Thursday. Friday, the ridge relaxes ever so slightly. The heights come down a little bit. Sunny skies return, highs 100 to 103. And then over the weekend, some troughing passes north of Arizona. The ridge flattens out just a little bit, so highs may back off into the mid-90s to near 100 for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. But all the while, no signs of any sensible weather in our forecast, maybe just an occasional breeze, especially across northern Arizona. So we go to Tuesday, still mostly sunny and hot conditions continue with highs somewhere around 98 to 101. And then a week from today, this is Wednesday, the 6th of May, and that still looks dry with a westerly flow in here. And then going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, this is Friday, the 8th of May, and that's a high amplitude pattern across North America, a big ridge along the west coast and all the way up into western Canada, a trough in the east, and it just spells hot and dry conditions continuing around here with temperatures well above average. Speaking of temperatures, taking a look at those off the national blend of models, and yeah, we might back it off just a little bit as we go into the weekend, but overall highs generally north of 100 degrees, overnight lows still holding in the 70s, and of course the cooler pockets will be down in the upper 60s as there's no sign of any major change in the overall weather pattern to come. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning if you enjoy these videos. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Be safe, everybody. Stay cool out there as well, and you guys have yourselves a great Wednesday.